Terug op die N2. Still a little sick, but let's get moving. En niks wat de uitval niet kan regmaak, nee. Of ek Lorenzo zie. I'm at the Clags petrol station. Everybody in Plet cannot stop talking about their pies, so let me try it for myself. Yeah. Big bummer, the cafe is still closed. But I got some brown bread. Yeah, it was alright. After resting another 3 days, now I'm ready to skit on the pad again. Titsikama! Sy nou gaan die wêreld begin groen raak. Die kan mos nie regte pad wees nie, jy moet maar steur wees. Ag tog, dan moet ek al die pad weer terugry. Check nou daai woud. Ja, check dit uit. Jene. Wat, ek gaan hierdie pas nie weer uittrap nie. Not a chance. Kyk daar so. Nature's Valley steek sy kopie uit. Net daar so. Hy steek hom uit. Like hierdie plek, so dis nou waar die rivier mond met die see. Ongelooflik. Kyk hierdie berge, what? Yeah, so after about 2 hours of cycling, I made it to Nature's Valley. It's flippin' beautiful. Now I have to find some Wi-Fi to do some work, editing, baralala, yara yara. Let's go. Okay, so Paband, tubeless. Dis seker so 100 km weg van die volgende bike shop af, so ek gaan maar 'n binneband ingooi. Ek kan ook maar aan die ander kant regmaak. En ek glo die seal met waar die valve is, het bietjie uitgeweer. So iemand anders gaan vir my moet regmaak. Ek kan hom nie regmaak nie. Vir nog 'n binnebandjie, ja. Terug op die fiets, band is gesort. Nou gaan ek 'n slaapplekkie soek, 'n bietjie skuiling, 'n stukkie gras steel van iemand af. Die mense is baie vriendelik op die dorp. So ek seker ek gaan lekker vinnig regkom. Now the night scarf is sitting in. Yeah. So today or tonight was a big mission to find shelter. The thing in Nature's Valley is the deeds in your contract says that you can't pitch a tent or a caravan on your yard for whatever reason. So nobody can pitch a tent or a caravan even if it's your own home. What? But luckily this oom said, come on, just come set up your tent, it's fine. Like only after the 5th attempt. I asked 5 people before this oom. so ja, dankie oom. Ja, ek slaap. Sure, I completely forgot to tell you. So I spent a weekend at JJ's. JJ is a cannabis cultivator. Awesome job, awesome career, I love it. So his job is raising the cannabis plants from seed to fruitation. I had some really interesting discussions with him about this whole industry. Super interesting. Some of the things I would have never thought about. Yeah, I loved meeting him and his family. They were super generous, hospital, and interesting people. Jeez, I loved them. Yes sir. Thank you, JJ.